Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, I got a 1977 Buick LeSabre, and the customer's complaint is the windshield wipers do not work. So, let's find out what's going on. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is verify the complaint. Let's put our key in, keys on. I don't hear nothing at all. Alright, let's pop the hood and take a look at what we got up under there. Be right back. Alright guys, there's our wiper motor. Dang. That wiper motor looks like it's seen better days. But no, it hasn't been in a, well, somehow there was a fire here one time. But the customer said it was working. So, you know what? Before we do anything, let's go get you a test light or a power probe. I'd rather use a power probe. We're gonna hook up a power probe. We're gonna test the connectors up here. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our power probe here. Guys, you definitely want to find you a power probe, even a used one. This is a power probe too. You can get a used one online right now from eBay for like 30 bucks, man. And these things are great because instead of using a test light, it's got a little toggle switch here, and it's got this tip right here. If I pull this toggle switch forward, it's red. That's 12 volts right now. If I pull it back, it's grounded now. Now it's a ground. And also it has a little ground strap. It's great for testing out things. All right, what we're going to do here now is I got the key on and the wipers on, and we're going to test each pin right here to see which one has power. One of them has to have power right now. Nothing. 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 Now this plug right here going to the washer motor. I don't care about that right now. So right now we got no power to this wiper motor whatsoever. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go inside the car and we're going to check the fuses. All right, we'll be right back. All right guys, here we are up under the dashboard to the left of the steering column. Here's your fuse panel right here. Now to check your fuse, what you want to do is make sure your key is in the on position. And you want to check, you're using a power probe. I'm kind of leaning here, kind of awkward. Going to each terminal. Now, both sides, just like that one is a good one. Both sides should be hot, unless you get two of them that's green, which means that circuit is just not operated yet. Let's see, we got a little tied into some wires here. Good. Good. Now, a bad one is going to be one side red and one side green. On your case, if you're just using a test light, one side's just going to light up and the other side won't do nothing. All right, let's go up here to the top now. Good. 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 Right there. That's letting me know that that fuse is bad. It's a 25 amp. I can't really tell where it goes to, because the thing is worn off. You can see like this one says tail lamp, 20 amps. So what we're going to do is take that fuse out. Yep, and if you can see it, you can see the filament. That filament is supposed to go up like a mountain. It's supposed to go up like a hill and come back down.
Don't move so
Don't tell me not to move.
Trying to focus in, you're moving it up and down.
Don't tell me. I'm stuck up under this dashboard. You told me not to move. Matter of fact, wait.
You're too far away.
Wait, don't tell me where we are.
You're too far.
Here, Sivvy. Here.
I can't grab it.
Oh.
Can't grab it and operate the camera.
Yes, you can. All right, here we go.
Hold on. Hold on. I don't see nothing. I don't see what the heck you're talking about.
You don't see that fuse blowing?
No, because I can't get it. I can't get it right.
Hold on, let me. What about if we go to a darker background or something?
How's that darker?
It is.
In what universe?
It's darker.
What am I looking at? The black spot?
Well, there's supposed to be a metal thing go up like a hill and back down. You see how? All right, guys, there we go. Now, if you can see, that little piece right there is supposed to go up like a hill and come back down. And you see, just like what Sylvia said a minute ago, that black spot, that's where it burnt at. That's how you can tell a bad fuse. We're going to get a new one, and I'm going to show you how a good one looks. And we're going to put them side by side. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so here's another fuse, a new one. And that one you can see the connection. As opposed to the old one has the broken connection. Okay? That's it?
That's it. All right, guys. Now let's take that new fuse and put it inside there. Be right back. All right, guys. We got our new fuse. Now, what I did was I got the key in the on position. Wipers is off. And when I put this fuse in, I want to hear if it pops. If it pops, that means we got a serious problem somewhere. So let's put this fuse in. Dang it.
Guess the wipers are on.
Huh. But then I heard them cut off. All right, let's go back up here. And let's cut them on. Okay, wipers are working. But now, let's shut them off. Now, why did it go? Let's go up to the front, up under the hood again, and look around. Be right back. All right, guys, we're up under the hood. Now, I'm not sure. Did it? This was carbon running for. I mean, you know, guys, you remember we did the engine in this, and this has been a while. So, if anything, I mean, it could be a problem inside here that's causing that much of a draw, resistance, and blowing that fuse, or. I see the wiper transmission over here is kind of loose, so it could have got bound up and jammed and caused the fuse to blow. There is a little possibilities here, but I think I would go more with the maybe with the window motor. I mean the windshield wiper motor before anything, because there's a little problem there. But what we're going to do is we're going to just leave the fuse in there, let the customer know. If it happens again, let us know, and then we're going to have to go to maybe grease that up a little bit, changing the motor. All right, we'll be right back.
All right. So today we had a 1977 Buick LeSabre, and the wipers were not working. It turned out to be.
I think in the beginning I said 76. This is 77.
77.
Okay, my bad.
And the wipers weren't working, and it turned out to be just a blown fuse. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Will it blow again? I don't know. But if it does, you know, we'll probably record it, because we record everything nowadays. So, you know, keep an eye out for it. But if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.